Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to put in a micro SD card into your GoPro Max. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your GoPro Max and you're looking to actually go ahead and insert an SD card into it. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to grab our GoPro Max, go ahead and push this down, and then pull it down even more until this part unlocks. Go ahead and flip it open. And then right over here, you're going to see an SD card slot right next to the battery. So in order to insert an SD card, all you've got to do is push it in and wait until you hear a click, and there you go. So go ahead and close it up, and then go ahead and push that red slide in upwards. And then now it's been locked in place. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know how to go about doing this. Just make sure that with the SD card, the front portion, which is the portion with the words, faces towards the camera back, okay? So as you can see, this is the back of the camera. You want to make sure that the face of this is opposite of that, so it faces towards where the screen is. And that's the way I know which direction it actually goes in. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.